Hi and welcome to this Enable tutorial on creating a lead or a contact in SugarCRM. To do this, first head to the navigation bar and head to Leads. And in here, you can create a new lead by going to this Create button at the top. When here, you'll be presented with these options to input all of the information for your new lead, including a business card, show more, and Sugar Hint. Though you shouldn't have to fill in Sugar Hint, this will fill when you input the lead's email address. First, let's fill this out. Okay, once all of the details have been filled in on Show More and Business Card and you want to save your lead, head up to Save and click Save. This will then add it to your leads list, and if you want to make any changes to this, you can simply go into the lead, click Edit and make any adjustments necessary. To then turn this into a contact, you don't need to go to the Contacts module, simply go to More and then Convert. It will then automatically take the details of the lead into a contact and an account for you. If there's an opportunity, fill it in, but otherwise you can save these by going to Save and Convert. This will then save the lead as a new contact in your contacts list, where you can see all of the details that you input as part of your lead. However, if you did want to create a contact from scratch, the process is largely the same. Simply go to Create in Contacts and fill in all of the required information. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.